It wasn't just the ICC in the Netherlands Senator Amy Marcos took a swipe at in her latest video.
Meron pang ICC sa Malacanang.
Anong ICC sa Malacanang?
ICC Impacta Claire.
Uy!
While the complete name of the person that was called Impacta was not mentioned in the video, Palace Press Officer Claire Castro fired back.
Kung sila ang nakapag-describe ng ganong salita, alam nila kung ano ang ibig sabihin nito, alam nila ang description ng salitang impacta. It takes one to know one.
Senator Amy Marcos skipped President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s State of the Nation address. Meanwhile, the country's second highest official, Vice President Sara Duterte, was in the Netherlands and said she did not watch or read anything related to the SONA. Earlier, the Vice President described the President's SONA as a waste of time. Malacanang responded.
Ito po ay base sa konstitusyon. Ang hindi pagbibigay respeto sa SONA ay hindi pagrespeto sa konstitusyon.
The palace stressed that the President's SONA is important because it lays out the government's accomplishments and plans. The President vowed to hold accountable those behind the alleged massive flood control scam. He also called for the suspension of system loss charges on electricity bills. He urged the expansion of the income tax exemption. The President also promised assistance to the transportation and agriculture sectors affected by the surge in oil prices. He pledged a continued sale of 20 peso per kilo of rice. So in response to Vice President Duterte's claim that the President had failed to deliver on his promises, including affordable price,
Parang ito po yung waste of time, sagutin, dahil sa walang basihan at walang kakwenta-kwentang mensahe. Alam po natin na lahat ng ito ay kasinungalingan. Nandiyan ang 20 pesos kada kilo na bigas na marami na pong nakaka-avail. Marami na pong nabibinipisyuhan sa mga kadiwa centers natin.
the palace also had this appeal.
Sa mga kababayan natin, lagi tayong maging mapanuri. Obligasyon po nating alamin ang katotohanan at huwag tayong sumunod sino man na nag-uudyok na manatili tayong mangmang sa katotohanan. Mabubulag po tayo dyan.
Kalezal Pardilia for the Nation.